getting ready to pickle some garlic. Now, I bought these already peeled, and I'm going to pickle some garlic. I don't know if I'll use all of it or not. Depends on how much fits into the jars. And I don't know if you can see them or not. I've got 2 pint jars and 2 1/4 pint jars in there. I feel that would probably hold most of this. If it don't, I'll have a little less to do something with. But we're going to pickle this garlic. Not sure just yet what recipe I want to use, but these are going to be pickled and placed in the refrigerator. They're not going to be canned. And they say they'll last 3 to 4 months in the refrigerator. So I'm going to do these and see what we come up with. We'll be back. Okay, 2 cups of white vinegar. Two cups of water. Now 2 tablespoons, it says table salt, non-iodized, but this is pickling salt, so I think it'll work just fine. Now 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're gonna bring this to a boil, make sure all the ingredients are dissolved. But as we're doing that, we're going to add some other ingredients. We'll add the other ingredients to the jars themselves. But we're going to bring this to a boil. Camera. All right, we about got this in filled. That ought to be enough, I believe. Yeah. Got that one filled. Here's our 1/4 pint. Place one in there, place one in there, and I guess, I don't know, I might need to, there, maybe that'll work. Shake this in a bit. Yeah, I'm going to put just a bit of turmeric, not very much, in there. Probably less than a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to put a little bit of red pepper flake. Okay. Now I'm going to put a few peppercorn in each one. See if my light will come back on. All right. Let's see. I think camera again. So I have these filled with brine. I'll bring this one up front here, or close. Shouldn't take a whole lot for that one. And there's that one. Bring this one over. And we'll put some in there. Whoop. I think I got a little full on that one. Alrighty. See if we can get some of that out of there. Get back over here. And maybe a little up here. Yeah. That's a little bit overfilled there. I think that'll work there. Alright. Alright. I'm going to wipe the rims of these jars off with a damp paper towel with vinegar, just to get sugars or anything else that might be there. It wasn't what I was looking for there, but we'll put it on there. No. That one, no. Now, those will go into the refrigerator for a couple of weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. The longer you wait, the better they are. Thanks for watching.